Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a new piece of inventory we just got in. It's a Scout 2024 255 Dorado. We have her equipped in the full hull color shark gray, paired nicely with this white rub rail with a stainless steel insert to match the fixed hardtop. We have the boat powered by these twin 200 Mercuries. We have those in black. Let's hop inside and check out some more features. So now that we're on board the Scout 255 Dorado, I'd like to point out the versatility of this cockpit. Right now we have it set up for a nice lounging space. Provides two different loungers to be able to provide almost kind of a living room feel on the water that will easily fold up, very flush, and allow you to fish this area just as easy. On our port side, we do have a live well. We do have rod holders and cup holders in the back here. We do have a raw water access here. Nice tackle storage underneath, along with rod storage underneath as well. We do have the boat equipped with Phender Pros, so easy clip in for your fenders. Don't have to take up your cleat space there. As we move forward, we do have a nice freshwater sink. Pairs nicely with this cutting board on this Corian countertop. And underneath, we do have a pull-out Yeti cooler access, along with nice storage drawers as well. Paired with those two loungers in the back, we do have this nice seat that allows you to incorporate more people into your conversation. And underneath, we do have a very nice cooler as well. We do have JL audio speakers throughout, paired with our Fusion stereo. The JL audio speakers are an upgrade. At the helm here, we do have a upgraded black Edson steering wheel on a tilt base. Digital throttle and shift on our Mercury binnacle here. Very nice 9-inch Garmin screen to be able to display our chart, fish finder. That Fusion stereo head system that we mentioned earlier. Nice storage here. Then switching here to be able to control our live wells, freshwater, spreader lights, windshield wipers, and other things. So we move over to the port side. This is a nice lounger as well. Allow you to sit here comfortably up high so you can see over the windshield if you would like, and even a little bit higher, similar to the helm seat if you would like a flip-up bolster here. The chair is electric on the side, so you can use this to move it forward and backwards. As we move forward towards the bow, we do have a pretty large head with a freshwater sink in there. And that is storable in our Blackwater system and then easily pumped out if you would like to do so. We do also have a screen that will close here to be able to cut off the bow, which will also expose some nice storage underneath, which will be where all of our battery switches, breakers, and everything that you may need to access there as well. So if you wanted to fully run this boat in the wintertime, you can also flip this windshield over, allow you to get out of the wind a little bit while you're running, then easily open these two back up if you're out in the summertime and want to experience the weather. Very nice, comfortable bow seating on this boat. I'm 6'4" for reference, so very comfortable seating, be able to fit multiple adults and even a few children. Nice storage underneath each seat, but all these cushions will remove. Also have nice storage underneath here as well. That is drained, so you can throw some life jackets, fenders, lines, anything you may want to down there. At the bow here, we do have an anchor windlass system with foot pedals on either side. Also a bow boarding ladder. That's a nice feature if you're going to pull up on a sandbar. We do have the boat equipped with bow rod and cup holders, which will allow you to have the insert for a bow shade if you wanted to shade this area. Thanks for joining me today on this Scout 255 Dorado. If you'd like to learn anything else about this boat or any of the other ones that we offer, please feel free to check us out at MarineMax.com or give us a call at 843-747-1889. As always, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.